Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find the map display settings on Waze. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, look at the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see three horizontal lines, which is the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it to open the main menu. This menu gives you access to all of Waze's key features and customization options. Once the menu opens, look for the option labeled Settings and tap on it. This is where you can adjust all your Waze preferences from navigation settings to privacy controls. The Settings menu is your central hub for personalizing how Waze works for you. Next, within the Settings menu, locate and tap on Map Display. This option controls how your map looks and behaves while you're navigating, giving you the power to customize your entire driving experience. And there you have it. You've successfully found the map display settings on Waze. Now you have access to a wide range of customization options that can make your navigation experience much more comfortable and tailored to your preferences. Inside the map display settings, you can turn on dark mode for easier nighttime driving, adjust the map view to change your perspective, turn on keep map north up if you prefer a fixed orientation, and enable auto zoom so Waze automatically adjusts the zoom level based on your speed. You can also adjust the map style to change the visual appearance of your map, customize your car icon to something more fun or personal, and control what information appears on your screen. Additionally, you can choose to display a speedometer, turn on map shortcuts for quick access to favorite locations, show other Wazers on the road, display traffic flow to see congestion levels, and show a compass for better orientation. These settings give you complete control over your Waze navigation experience, allowing you to customize everything to match your driving style and preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.